Want to get parsed web data with zero coding? I'll show you how to use Decodo AI Parser. Note that the AI Parser is a free tool for all Decodo users. Simply register on our dashboard to get access. Once you're on the Decodo dashboard, click Scraping APIs and choose AI Parser. In the first field, enter your target website URL. Let's use a BBC News site as an example. Hit Start Scraping. Once the data is fetched, you'll see it in HTML and a live preview. Now enter the AI prompt. The prompt should be specific and tell the parser exactly what you want to get. For instance, I want to get structured of everything on this page will return an error. So let's request article titles, URLs, and tags. Once ready, hit Parse HTML. After a few seconds, you'll see parsed data, which you can export in JSON format by clicking here. Additionally, you'll get generated parsing instructions in curl format. You can copy and use them with our advanced web scraping API plans. Ready to try the AI parser yourself? Sign up for the Decodo dashboard today.